the 17th to be exact. So I've got to figure out, now that I've took the thing out, I'm not sure what number I'm on, but 4, 5, 6, so I guess I'm looking for number 7. Y'all see number 7 here anywhere? Right there, maybe? It's not easy to do with one hand. Yep, we'll see what number 7 is. Looks like a little ramp. Now all these pieces, of course, will eventually make some kind of little cityscape or something. And we'll go ahead and see if we can find number 8. Right there. No, I'm just showing you all this, because some people may not even know what an advent calendar is. And of course, these are just days of the week with a little prize or a little toy. They're perfect for little kids, especially little granddaughters. And that's who will probably end up with a lot of these little toys that are coming out of here, is the granddaughters. Find number 9 right here. And they make all kinds of things, not just Hot Wheels, of course. There you'll find that Lego advent calendars, all kinds of things. Another little reindeer. What's in there? These are, consider these kind of, not sure what that is. I bet it looks like the top of a sleigh maybe. So there's probably going to be a sleigh in here somewhere. Think of these though as like a little, like a stocking. Yeah, think of them like a big box of stocking. A big box of stocking. And they're not easy sometimes to get out. Oh, a little car. All right, let's do one more. That still won't get me caught up, but you know, it's quality content here. I've got to find number 12. Oh, up here in the corner. What is this? Oh, that's going to be the bottom of the sleigh. Bottom of the sleigh. Like I said, all this is going to end up making pieces, but you open one piece a day. You know what I'm saying? Till you're caught up. I fudged a little bit. I started on this. I wasn't planning on making a video, but I started on this, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, probably, something like that, 2 weeks ago. Looks like another part to the sleigh. And it looks like a traffic cone. Looks like a traffic cone. But that's how we go. I've still got a few more to open. Like I said, this is all going to make some kind of big holiday Christmas scene, or it'll go on this race car track that's right here. I don't know, but it's pretty neat, and I'm thankful for it. And even though it's a kiddie toy, I find it very cool that kids nowadays have this kind of stuff to play with. What a stocking. Thanks, babe. Appreciate it. You guys enjoy your holidays. I hope y'all stay happy, healthy, and safe. I know. I know. I know. The chickens are all up at the scrap pile. Or they're in the woods. I'm not really sure. Folks don't have a whole lot to show anybody. I've got to get on with the content, you know what I'm saying? I think those are kohlrabies. I just don't have anything. So I think I'm gonna go fry some chicken. Y'all hungry? Hey, hi, how's it going? Look, folks, I apologize. We've had some sickness in the family, so I haven't been able to upload any videos. And I'm frying some chicken. See what I'm saying? Let me give y'all a little better look. It's gonna be good, gonna be good. We're gonna put a little Cajun sauce in it, make your tongue just slap your brain out the top of your head. You know what I'm saying? Look, we're gonna get back to trying to get some videos posted right now. Things are just busy. The master gardener's been sick. Like I said, we had some sickness. Well, we had a death in the family. So we've had to take care of some of that. And, you know, the garden is just covered in leaves. I really need to get out there and mulch and mow and do that kind of stuff. I know you can hear this stuff. Can y'all smell that? Oh, man, that smells good. Anyway, long story short, hey, we're going to get back. We're probably going to have some Christmas stuff lit up. You see that in there? Right in there. Master Gardener's got her tree lit up. We ain't been able to put presents on there because Ollie likes to, well, you know, he thinks they're his, so he's going to open all of them. And I don't blame him. I'd like to open mine a little early too. But I'll try to add some more to this video, and if not, folks, take care. Happy holidays. I hope you stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys on down the road. Bye-bye.